just disembarked from the Regent Splendor in Sicily, Italy. This place is unreal. We hiked up Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano, to a whopping 11,000 feet. Let's just say I had a bit of a close call when I almost slipped into a crater. Oh! Really otherworldly. Definitely added a little spice to the adventure. We also visited some of the most stunning vineyards we've ever seen. We got to taste some incredible local wines and learned a lot about the whole winemaking process. It was an amazing experience to see how everything comes together. If you're new here, I'm Chris Launder, your travel buddy on this adventure. We create epic travel content from around the world. Sicily is just the third port of our 7-night cruise on the Regent Splendor. We'll be sharing videos from all of our destinations soon. For now, let's discover the wonders of Sicily. So today we're going to Mount Etna here in Messina, or outside of Messina. And we're also going to a lovely vineyard. Listen, are you ready? Drink some wine, see a volcano? All right, let's go. After we docked in Sicily, Leslie and I booked an Etna mountain and vineyard tour through Regent's Tour Desk for $139. They warned us it would be a long day, about 6.5 hours, so we had to stay on our toes to catch everything. We hopped on a bus and headed up Mount Etna, which is about a 90-minute drive from the port. As we climbed higher, we got some amazing views of the green vineyards. But before we reached the top of Etna, we make a quick stop and were greeted by a foggy surprise. It was pretty cool to be surrounded by all the mist. So this is Mount Etna. It is cold, very windy, and as you can see, very foggy. So Leslie's very cold. Leslie, how are you feeling?
Frío. Vámonos al carro.
She can't take it. The view is going to be very elusive today. It's quite amazing. I mean, you can see all of the lava, all the ash. Everywhere is black. Sorry for my camera moving significantly. The wind is really whipping. It's otherworldly here. It's like another planet. This would be a great scene for like an alien movie. Oh, there we go. It's flipping all over the place. Yep. It's crazy with all this fog. It's leaving a wet residue on everything. My gimbal here is completely wet. Yeah, it's amazing. I've only been out here for about maybe 5 minutes, and my phone has so much water all over it. It's crazy. Disappointing, but the view coming up was quite breathtaking. So much green, and then it turned into black dust and soot and ash and lava, and it's like another world. Before we continued our adventure, we stopped at a souvenir shop full of Etna mountain merch. There were bracelets, little statues, and all sorts of really cool stuff. Leslie fell head over heels for this little tiny hedgehog. Now for the real adventure. We're at the Sylvester Craters, which is the perfect spot to experience Mount Etna's power without hiking all the way to the top. Let's drop some fun facts. This is the highest active volcano in Europe. It has tons of craters, and I almost fell into one. Oh! I'm good, thank you. I ended up with a pretty big welt on my back. Ouch. But nothing was going to stop us from continuing our adventure. Well, just took a nice little spill. I might feel that in the morning. Even though it erupts every year, Etna is a pretty chill volcano. Nobody has ever died from an eruption, and the lava flows slowly, giving towns plenty of time to move to safety. Because of its unique characteristics, Etna helps with the climate and produces amazing citrus and grapes for Sicily's famous wines. Wow. Whew. Yeah, this is like being in another world. Hey, it looks like the sun's trying to come out. Quite steep. Definitely don't want to fall down here. I'd love to explore more, but they're only giving us a few minutes here. Let's go check this out. There's a hat down there. I'm sure there's several, as well as other things people probably have lost to the wind.
I want to take a quick second to thank our sponsor, Cruiser Travels. Cruiser Travels makes trips like this possible with discounted group rates, exclusive perks, only provided by Cruiser Travels' knowledgeable and service-focused agents committed to sourcing the best deals in the industry. They won't be beat. Tell them Travel Vida sent you for an extra gift. The link is in the description below.
Just got to the outside of the vineyard.
Did they go to NC State? Yes.
I guess we get a little bit of a walking off my sore back and hindside, my little fall near the crater.
After exploring the volcano, we hopped back onto the bus and headed to the winery. We're going to Murgo Winery, one of the biggest and best wineries in the region. Vineyards are a big deal in this area. This is one of the most important wineries, and they're known for making some of the best wine around.
Well, we find ourselves in another wine region. What is your favorite wine region? Valle de Guadalupe, Valle de Santiago.
Creo que el de Santiago. Casillero.
Yeah, that was a very nice vineyard. We do have a video for that, so you can kind of check that out. I'll have to check out some more vineyards, but you can tell this is a beautiful place. A little foggy today. Careful, Les.
We had a delightful afternoon at Murgo Winery, nestled amidst the picturesque vineyards of Mount Etna. Our wine tasting experience was a highlight, where we savored a variety of their exceptional wines. The knowledgeable staff shared captivating stories about the winery's history, the unique terrain of the region, and the passion that goes into crafting each bottle. We learned a lot about the traditional winemaking techniques used by the Murgo Winery, as well as the innovative approaches that they've adopted to produce wines that truly reflect the character of Mount Etna.
You can take this one. Yes.
Since 2006, off and on.
Now we're at the heart of the wine production at Murgo Winery. We just finished a tour where we got to see the whole process, from the tanks where the grapes were fermented to the barrels where the wine ages. It was a super cool experience to see how it all works.
Etna white, the yellow label only tanks. The our wines with the white labels arranged in oak barrels. And we use the French oak tonneau, the last side, where we can I don't touch because there's a bomb.
Es un bomba.
We even got to check out the bottling line where they put the wine into bottles. At the end of the tour, we got to pick up some fresh bottles of their wine to try. It was a really fun experience, and we learned a lot about winemaking.
There's the sun. Where's the volcano? It's that way?
It's we are on the volcano. It's right up there. It's getting uncovered across the way now.
I want to go to Machu Picchu one day.
You got to, yeah.
My friends were just there. I was like, oh.
And that's a wrap on Sicily, Italy. We had a blast climbing Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. As wine lovers, we had an amazing time in Murgo Winery. The vineyards were beautiful, the wine was delicious, and we learned a lot about winemaking in Sicily. Don't leave just yet. If you want to see more of our Regent Splendor cruise adventure, subscribe and leave a comment to let us know what you think. We'll be dropping our next video soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, live that travel vida.
And I know you'll make mistakes. Get interference and lose your